The first rays of sunlight gently touch the tiled roofs of a quiet village. A rooster crows in the distance. Birds chirp from mango trees as the cool morning breeze drifts through open windows. The smell of fresh wood fire and boiling milk fills the air. A grandmother sweeps the front yard with a soft rhythm. Children wake up slowly, rubbing their eyes, excited for a new day. The village road comes alive. Bicycles roll past. Farmers walk toward green fields carrying their tools. The sound of temple bells echoes softly across the morning sky. As the sun climbs higher, laughter fills every corner. Friends gather beneath a giant banyan tree. Marbles click against each other. Paper kites dance in the wind. The sweet sound of an ice cream cart bell makes every
Coming right up.
child run
One
with
strawberry
joy.
cone for you.
Afternoon arrives quietly. The village slows down beneath the shade of neem trees. A distant radio plays old melodies while elders share stories on woven cots. The golden evening paints the sky with shades of orange. Cows return home. Women light lamps near their doorsteps. The aroma of dinner drifts through the streets. As darkness settles, stars begin to appear one by one. Families climb to their terraces, carrying pillows and mats. The night air is cool and comforting. Crickets sing softly. Children point at constellations, while grandparents tell timeless stories.
I'm coming. I
The
can't
moon
wait to sleep
glows
under
above
the
the
stars
sleeping
again.
village.
Look,
Under a
Grandpa, there's
blanket
the
of
great
stars,
hunter. See his belt
everyone
right there?
slowly closes
Yes,
their
and
eyes.
beside him are his
A
loyal
peaceful
dogs,
day
chasing
comes to
the
an end.
rabbits.
Simple, beautiful, unforgettable. Just like the village days of the 90s.